Welcome to our educational series on how to use Sharp API via the ApyHub API Marketplace. This API makes things easy by doing all the heavy lifting. Today, we're exploring the Resume Parser API. How does it work? Using an AI API typically involves two steps. 1. Submitting the AI job request. 2. Checking the job status and retrieving the response once the job is complete. ApyHub offers an API Playground where you can familiarize yourself with the workflow and capabilities before integrating it into your app. The API accepts CV files in multiple formats and allows you to specify the language for the parsed data. After sending a parsing request, you'll receive a job ID that can be used to fetch the processing results. For both submitting requests and retrieving results, you'll find ready-to-use code samples. Simply copy and paste them into your app, set the API token header parameter, and you're all set. The ApyHub dashboard provides all data exchange formats examples to streamline API integration into your software. If you enjoy educational content like this about AI APIs, hit like and subscribe to stay updated on new tutorials and training materials we release each month. Learn more about this AI workflow automation on the Sharp API page and explore other automation APIs on the ApyHub website. Links are in the description. Happy AI automation. SharpAPI.com